Hey guys, LechK here. Quick video to show you how to set up the chiller for your Plunge chill cold tub. I'm setting that up in my sauna, upgrading my tub setup, and then this is the chiller. So I'm gonna do a quick video to show you how to set this up and connect it. Pump, pretty standard. More valves, adapters, tool. We'll go over that in a second. Hose, insulated, that's a nice plus. Quick connectors, really cool. And there's the chiller. Let's take a closer look. Alright, so here's our chiller. All the parts seem quality. Chiller looks really cool. It even has a filter. So that's definitely an upgrade over like the standard aquarium ones that I've been talking about on my channel. And like I mentioned, ease of use, right? Quick connectors, no user error really. Everything's labeled. So we'll set this up and see how it all functions. Alrighty, we'll move into the sauna. My old setup, which is gonna get moved with time. The new setup, you can see right off the bat, chiller is bigger. It's probably gonna perform faster, colder, and all that. And then our tub. So these are the valves that gave you with the tub. And then this is everything that comes with the chiller setup. Directions, clear pictures and everything, but I'll walk you through it right now. We'll connect everything up, then we'll fill up the tub of water, and we start chilling. And just a quick tip, guys, this chiller is made to work with all the tubs Plunge chill offers, but also will work with aftermarket tubs like these fancy ones for $5,000 they sell, right? The thing is, in this case, you are not just using the hoses and the chiller, which has a built-in pump. Since this don't have a port, you are using the pump they include with it and connect one of the hoses to it and just runs over the top, right? Kind of like I have my chiller here, my old chiller set up here. This doesn't have a built-in pump or anything, no ports in my top. I drilled the whole hose myself over here, but that uses a regular pump down there, like that one, you know, to circulate the water. In this case, we're not using a little extra pump. We're just connecting the hoses, and the chiller will do all the work for us. Let's set it up. Okay, so for the hoses, these are quick connectors for the back of the chiller, so that's easy. But since we don't know what kind of tub you connect into, right, they give you the options. So since we got to connect over here, these are going to connect there, throw them on, and then these metal ones, or the ones that came, plastic ones that came with the tub, if you're using a different chiller, maybe you don't have them, will connect on this end. Just slide it in, connect it to this, and then it bolts on there. And then you have the shut-off valves, right? So in case you gotta disconnect the filter, whatever, you know, you don't have water leaking. So like I said, it's all ease of use with this setup. And they even give you Teflon tape. You don't even need a wrench, you can hand tighten this. But let me just check. Yeah, that's good. There's one. And if it leaks, we'll put more tape. So that's that. I'm gonna pop in here, but I'll do this at the end. First, I wanna screw it into the tub itself. Not sure if we need Teflon here, but it's always good to put some. Let's see over here. this work. That's that for that. We just connect our hoses, slide it right on. And for example, if this leaks, we can put a little clamp here, but for now I'm just gonna leave it and see how it holds. Same with this one over here. That's the beauty of valves, right? You can turn them off, fix the leak, and you're back to function. And now we just connect it to the chiller, which is probably the easiest part. So this is water in, water out, water in. So the top one connects to the bottom of the chiller. Okay. Safety pins. Let me show you guys a close up. And then the water out, bottom on the tub, top on the chiller goes over here. Pretty heavy duty. But very easy to use. There you go. So guys, this is it for the chiller setup. Got it connected to power. Got a timer so it runs at night only. And we are good to go. I'm gonna fill up this with water, give you guys a little preview of it in action. But if you want to see a full video of the setup of this chill tub and it in action, check out the links below. Check out my channel, lots more videos on this, and also links if you want to get one yourself and all that. Stay tuned. Thank you guys. We're almost there. So yeah guys, initial setup, we just got to prime the filter. Now the water's flowing. There's motion here, that's a good sign. Nothing's leaking. We set it down to 36. It's already set. And now we just wait. Alright, so my first official Plunge chill. About 40. It is hot weekend, like I said, so this will do. It is cold, guys. Ooh. And the top feels nice too. Comfy. There's definitely a lot more space than my old tub. Nice soft walls. And it feels great. So I like to